Kishane Thompson's coach, Stephen Francis, said Noah's torso was just a bit ahead of Kishane's, so Noah won. Using the torso to decide close races is normal. Let's move on. But in the 2008 Beijing Olympics, there was another close finish in the women's 100 meters final that caused confusion. Jamaicans Sherone Simpson and Kerron Stewart both finished with a time of 10.98 seconds. The photo finish technology couldn't clearly determine who was ahead, so both athletes were awarded the silver medal. Some people felt that Simpson was slightly closer to the line, but the technology couldn't provide a definitive answer. This led to a big argument among Jamaicans, even though both athletes were from Jamaica. So no matter what, people will always debate the outcome when the torso method is used, especially those who watch track and field every 4 years.